Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Snack English, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Adam.
Hi, Adam. Hi, everyone. I am so happy to be here with you today.
Today, we have a special topic. We are talking about how to express your feelings. Sarah, how are you feeling right now?
Right now, I feel happy. Adam, how do you feel?
I feel energetic. Let's start with basic feelings.
Okay, the big ones are happy and sad.
Yes, happy is easy. You smile. You feel good.
Like when you eat ice cream.
Yes, ice cream makes me very happy.
And sad, this is the opposite. You frown. You might cry.
Like when you drop your ice cream.
That is very sad. What about angry?
I feel angry in traffic. When cars stop, my face turns red. Sometimes people are bad drivers. Sarah, what makes you angry?
I get angry when I am hungry.
Ah, you get hangry.
Yes, hungry plus angry equals hangry.
That is a funny word. Is it real English?
It is informal, but everyone uses it.
Okay, let's talk about fear, being scared.
Ooh, I don't like being scared.
Do you like scary movies?
No, I hate them. I close my eyes.
Really? I love scary movies. They are exciting.
I am a chicken.
A chicken?
Yes, in English, a chicken is a scared person.
That is a funny idiom. I am not a chicken, usually.
What are you scared of, Adam?
I am scared of spiders.
Spiders? Really? But they are small.
They have too many legs. It is not natural.
Okay, so Adam is afraid of spiders.
Yes. Let's talk about nervous. You said you are nervous.
Yes, nervous is like being scared, but it is for an event.
Like a test or a job interview.
Exactly. Your hands shake, your stomach feels funny.
We say butterflies in my stomach.
Yes, that is a great phrase. It means you're nervous. Adam, let's talk about surprised.
Surprised is when something unexpected happens.
Like a surprise party.
Yes, everyone shouts, "Surprise!"
And you feel shocked.
Shocked is a strong surprise.
Yes. Is surprised a good feeling?
Usually, yes, but sometimes no. Oh no, I have to pay money? That is a bad surprise.
Adam, do men and women talk about feelings differently?
I think women talk more. They share more.
I think that is true. I tell my friends everything.
I feel sad today. I feel excited.
Yes, we analyze our feelings.
Men are usually quieter. We say, "I'm fine."
I'm fine, the classic answer.
Yes, even if our leg is broken, I'm fine. Sarah, what about confused?
Confused is when you don't understand.
Like in a math class?
Yes, math makes me very confused.
Or when listening to fast English? It's okay to feel confused. It's part of learning.
Yes.
Sarah, I have a feeling right now.
Oh, what is it?
I feel grateful.
Grateful. That is a beautiful word.
Yes, I am happy you are here.
Aw, thank you, Adam. I feel grateful too. Let's learn 3 big words about feelings.
The first word is frustrated. This is a negative feeling. You feel this when you cannot do something or when something stops you. You are annoyed. Example, I feel frustrated because my computer is slow.
I hate slow computers. It is very frustrating.
Yes, you want to work, but you can't.
The second word is terrified. This means very scared. Not just a little, a lot. Example, I am terrified of spiders.
Like me, I am terrified.
Yes, scared is normal level. Terrified is high level.
The third word is grateful. This is a positive feeling. It means you want to say thank you. You appreciate something. Example, I am grateful for my family. Before we finish, can we play a game?
A game? Sure. What is it?
I make a sound, you guess the feeling.
Okay, I am ready.
Sound number 1. Grrr. R.
That is easy. You are angry or frustrated.
Correct. Sound number 2. Oh, yawn.
You are tired or bored.
Yes. Sound number 3. Wow. Oh my. Yay.
You are excited or surprised.
Yes, you are good at this.
One more, my turn. Eek! Help!
You are scared or terrified.
Yes, it was a spider, right?
A giant spider.
Run away!
Listeners, you can play this game too. Yes, look at faces in movies. Guess the feeling.
And if you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to Snack English, like this episode, and share it with a friend who is learning English.
Every episode is a small snack of English. Easy to listen to, easy to remember, and delicious.
Delicious English. I love that.
Thank you so much for listening to us today. Goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye, everyone. See you in the next episode.